What's going on, young goons?
What's up?
I'm here with #1 YG. We're going on a trail. We're out here. Came in the Civic. Worst decision ever.
The fuck are you gonna come in? A bicycle?
Fucking Sensei Goon over here. And my mom. We're about to fucking test this trail out. What's the name of this trail? Kettle Falls. We're gonna see how it goes. Let's see how tough it is. Let's start this adventure. Here we go. So far downhill. Steep hill. What do you think, young goon?
We're not even at the start of the actual.
You already tired? You already trying to turn back?
I'm good. I'm gonna be the last one standing.
You gonna be the last one standing? So you're gonna be carrying me back, huh?
I have your keys in my bag. I'm good.
Well, you better carry me back, killer.
I'm home.
First stop right here. Found a little creek. Let's check this out. Look at that. Crystal clear water. Beautiful. What do you think, Killian?
Good. It's cold.
Freezing cold. I can't imagine.
Doesn't our good feel if you got in here?
Maybe not right now.
Maybe not right now, but later
There's
on.
beautiful rocks right here. Beautiful little creek. Back walking, continue this trip, see what else we find on this adventure. What do you think so far, Killian?
I got my rock collection.
Killian got some rocks. Let's see your rocks.
Rocks.
See what you got. Sheesh, flex them shits, buddy.
This my shark tooth.
There you go.
My prize possession right here.
Look at that.
If we get attacked,
You're gonna defend
little
us.
thing.
We got the savior of the group.
I should have brought that little pocket knife.
You're gonna get hurt with your pocket knife, Killian.
I mean, I would have been prepared.
Let's see.
Little boy here.
We're cutting through some brush over here. You can see a little trail here, so definitely going the right way. Let's continue on. Walking alongside the creek here on this trail. There's the creek. Can't really see it, but there's the creek. Nice spot right here. Feels summer. We could go swimming right there on the creek. Go take a quick dive, Killian. Walking right above the creek. Beautiful stones. Feels warmer, would be nice to jump in. Crystal clear water. Look at that. Real nice. What do you think, Killian?
You think this water is drinkable?
Oh, definitely. Careful with this right here. There's all this moss growing. Real narrow. Hard to tell, but there's some nice bluffs right here. They look beautiful. All the trees kind of hide it in the sun glare. Beautiful trail. Definitely nice that it's a more natural trail. It's not kept up with, so it's more rural. Definitely a nice experience out here. Here's Louis. What's he doing? Louis doing some bushcraft.
Louis playing Minecraft in real life right here.
Needs a walking stick so his back don't break. Look at that. The creek still flowing right here, right next to us. Beautiful.
No, contamina.
Sheesh, right here. I think we might have to cross the creek. Look at this. Beautiful creek.
People walk up there.
Sí, bien, ahorita todo bien.
This right here. Look at that. What do you think, Killian? Chilling right here next to this little small waterfall. Beautiful. Come on, Killer. Let's continue on. Back on the trail we go. It's a nice cave right here. Surprised there's not a bear or something in here. Go in there, Killian. Go lay down in there. Look at that.
I mean, in the summer it's probably cool in there.
Should have brought some meat.
Some meat.
Could have grilled out right here. Killian thinking about gooning up in there. Look at that. This is a nice spot. You got the creek right next to you.
Good. For sure, bring grill. Not like that overlook we went to.
Think so?
Yeah, yeah.
Came to our first little waterfall right next to that cave. Yeah, this is definitely a good summer spot. Come chill out. You got a waterfall. Got that cave you can hang out. Beautiful. Here we are chilling on this boulder in the middle of the creek. Crystal clear water. Insane. What do you think about this, Killian? Look at this crystal clear water here.
Look, over there by the tree, but it's...
We're just chilling on a boulder in the middle of the creek. Killian's trying to cross to the other side over here. Trying to put that limp ass stick over there. Chilling on these boulders. There's fucking Louie over there. Trying to get to the other side of the creek. Beautiful. All right, Killian's gonna try to cross. See what you got, Killian. Take your bag off. I'll throw it over to you. There we go. Good job, buddy. Super soaked.
I didn't make it.
Now he's trapped in the center.
That was a bad jump.
Jump to the other side.
I'm wet.
There you go. Good job, dude.
You won't cross it. You were in a bag. You got it. Did you get soaked?
A little bit.
I think we could have made it work over there.
Ya se le bañó las patas. Sí, a lo mejor.
Came to this cave here. It's like a natural spring coming out of it. Nice little river. Flows into the main river. You all right, Killian? You tired? You want to turn back?
Oh, what are those?
My God, problem. Huh?
Y aquí,
Gotta cross the river again.
otra vez aquí está.
Let's see you jump it, Killian.
I don't know about this one.
You got it, buddy.
I don't know about this one.
Louis says he's got it.
Somebody's done it right here.
Go for it. Put her to the side. Let's see el clavado right here.
I need somebody to go first to grab it.
Lily, excited to be out here.
Tanto la quitar los zapatos y no se los pillé.
I mean, we kind of have no choice. The lady said we have to cross.
I'm trying to take my shoes.
You getting worked up for it, Killian? Yeah, I think your best bet's right there on the other.
Yeah, but look how long it is.
Whatever you think. Louis, looking like he just came from El Salvador with his pants. There you go. There you go. All right, let's turn back. Beautiful.
¿Y ahora qué?
We all crossed. My mom took her shoes off. Beautiful rocks over here. River flowing.
I would like to just bring my tent right here.
Nature's beauty right here. Yeah, giant stones.
Bummer I don't have signal.
Crystal clear water. Wish it was warm enough to jump in. So cold.
could have as a background song.
We don't want copyright now, Kelly. We don't want to get
For
demonetized.
the video? No, we're not even monetized.
Well, we gotta not ruin our chances.
Mira, ella va caminando.
Just this video when we get monetized.
Yeah.
See?
Killian's the only one that hasn't crossed the river. He doesn't want to ruin his 5-week streak of no showering. He's gonna attempt crossing over with this tree hanging over. Caída de Edgar coming in hot.
How are you gonna manage to jump from there to here?
I'm gonna do it.
Go for it. Yeah, just go over there.
There's nothing over there. There's no way. Well, I mean, it's a little bit. It's like over here, basically.
Oh, I'm cooked.
Just hop in the water, Killian.
Oh shit.
Ooh, there you go. With not a drop of water touched. Walking up this part of the trail. See where we're at. I think we made it to the waterfall. Unfortunately, because it hasn't been raining, it's look a little dry. Louis already made it over there. There's the waterfall. The famous Tea Kettle waterfall. Beautiful right here. Sheesh. Stop and admire this beauty. Llegamos, man. Look at that. Trips down from, cut a hole through that rock. On our way back. Nice trail. What do you think, Killian? Was it worth coming out here?
Yeah. My foot, one of my feet is soaked.
One of his foot soaked. I think up to my knee I'm soaked. Hey, it's a nice trail out here though. Definitely worth coming out here on a beautiful day like today. Come on. Come on, young goon. Keep up. All right, guys, we made it back to the Civic. After getting lost. Goon's tired. Young Goon barely made it back. Sensei Goon over there, struggling himself too. But we're out. Catch us on the next adventure.